Hey, Candor.
Hey, Nico, what's up?
Oh, nothing much. Just going to the bakery. Actually, I have a question.
What's your question?
Well, I was wondering if you're comfortable telling me what you're made of.
Oh, yeah, I don't mind telling you. Well, I have a variety of different materials that I'm made of. I really like my carbon fiber-filled arm and leg joints. Fun fact, they're actually all made from the same manufacturer.
Oh, what is the name of the manufacturer?
Mitsubishi Chemical Advanced Materials. And they make a lot of other important engineering plastics of all shapes and sizes. We really can't live without them.
Wow, I've never heard of them. Where else are the plastics used, and why are they so important?
Some of their plastics are used in the food industry. Do you see those big mixers? Well, their plastics can be used in them to make sure ingredients don't stick to the machines. There can also be small plastic gears in the machines, which keep them running smooth and quiet. These plastics are called PEEK and PET. In the construction industry, there are other nylon plastics that serve a similar purpose. They also make sure that materials don't stick to the equipment. Some of their plastics are also used in your grandpa's hip replacement. It's called UHMW.
Hey, Grandpa, you won't believe what I learned today. Candor has been telling me about this really cool manufacturer that makes important engineering plastics.
Is that so? I used to work at a company like that called Mitsubishi Chemical Advanced Materials. My job was to review and certify products. I had a friend Ramon, a machine operator, who made some of the plastics. My other friend Hannah, an engineer, would help solve problems in the casting department.
Wow, Grandpa, I didn't know you worked there. Maybe I could work there one day.